yourselves to brutes, men who despise you, enslave you, who regiment your lives, tell you what to do, what to think, and what to feel, who drill you, diet you, treat you like cattle, use you as cannon fodder. Don't give yourselves to these unnatural men with machine minds and machine hearts. You are not machines, you are not cattle, you are men. You have the love of humanity in your hearts. You don't hate, only the unloved hate, the unloved and the unnatural. Soldiers, don't fight for slavery, fight for liberty. In the 17th chapter of St. Luke it is written, the kingdom of God is within man, not one man nor a group of men, but in all men, in you. You, the people, have the power to create machines, the power to create happiness. You, the people, have the power to make this life free and beautiful, to make this life a wonderful adventure.
Yeah, they asked him when you checked in, would you like milk?
I get fucking asked.
Yeah, I got a free
I grabbed 4 of them.
I went to make the coffee, I'm like, and they don't open until 7 o'clock.
So for the next 2 days, you're going to have probably about 10 hours of driving your cars on some sensational roads. We've got a mixture of roads. You're going to go away and you're going to say, yeah, I know what this car can do. This M car is going to be fantastic. I bought the right car for all the right reasons because I go driving with all the right mates. Okay, but there's only one person who's made that possible. He's driven these routes. Tomorrow's route he's driven 3 times. Sunday's route he's driven 4 times. Jack.
We'd like to, Mr. Jack, to thank him for all the hard work he's done. He's just a young man, but we've taken him under our wing, and we really appreciate it. Thank you.